Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to change ringtone and set a custom ringtone on your iPhone 17 Pro or iPhone 17 Pro Max, and trust me, the process is quite simple. First things first, to change ringtone on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, you basically just want to open up the settings of your device. Now scroll all the way down until you get to where we have the sound and haptics option over here. Select that. Now scroll down again and you're going to find the ringtone option. Select that as well, and over here you have a couple of different ringtones you can actually select from and set as your default ringtone for your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. All you just have to do is to tap on that particular ringtone and it will automatically be set as your default ringtone. But in order for you to set a custom ringtone on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, there are actually two options. You can choose to set any song you want as your ringtone, or purchase ringtones from the Apple Tones store. So you can go over to the Apple Tones store from over here and then just purchase any ringtone you want. All you just have to do is to select them and then purchase the ringtone. And once you're done, you want to come over here, click on download or purchase tone, and you're going to find all of your purchased tones from the Apple Tone store. Select them and you're good to go. If you want to be able to set a custom ringtone or use any song on your phone as ringtone on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, first you have to keep in mind that the song has to be 30 seconds or below, or else it will not work. So if you already have a song on your phone that is more than 30 seconds, just go ahead and crop it with a music app until it is below 30 seconds. But if you do not have any song downloaded, you can actually get royalty-free music directly from the internet using the Safari browser, and Pixabay is actually one of my favorite websites for things like this. These are actually royalty-free music. They're actually below 20 seconds, as you can see from over here. So you can actually just download them directly from here, and once you have your royalty-free music downloaded, you're good to go. And now that you have the song you want to set as custom ringtone on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max, just go over to the Files app. From here, just find the music you want to set as custom ringtone. Mine is literally over here. You want to select it, tap on the share icon at the bottom over here, and then just click on more. Now you're going to see the use as ringtone option. Go ahead and select that, and as you can see, it has now been set as a custom ringtone for the iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. And remember, if you do not want this ringtone anymore, you can simply just swipe horizontally to the left hand side to delete it if you do not want it anymore. That is how to change ringtone and set a custom ringtone on your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. Please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.